not the price that you're willing to pay. You cry, tea which you hurl in the sea, as you see it go by. Why so sad? Remember you need an arrangement when you went away. Now you're making me mad. Remember, despite our estrangement, I know you'll be back. You will see. You'll remember you belong to me. You'll be back. Time will tell. You'll remember that I served you well. Oceans rise, empires fall. We have seen each other through it all. And with no comes the shower, I will send you on the guitar to remind you of my love. Cause you're my favorite subject, my sweet submissive subject, my loyal, royal subject, forever and ever and ever and I will fight the fight and win the war. For your love, for your praise, and I love you till my dying day.